Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Live Review. My name is Dev and today we are back with another unboxing video of a TWS. So this has been recently released by boAt. This is the boAt Airdopes Alpha. So let me show you around the box and then I will do the unboxing for you. So it looks really nice. So total playtime 35 hours, so quite long. 13 drivers. Usually boAt has 13 drivers. Beast mode 50 microseconds. So for gaming, low latency mode, this is what it is, beast mode, and made in India by an Indian brand. All right. What does it say? Do what floats your boat. Okay, this seems there to be their new motto, but it seems to be a bit long for this to be a hashtag. All right. And here one touch voice assistant. So okay, Google and Siri works with both of these. boAt here, some barcode on the bottom, nothing on top. And coming to the back, dual mic with, so this is dual mic for better clarity with ENx Tech, ergonomically pocketable design. So I hear that this is very small, IPX5 water resistance. So yeah, it's okay, you can go running with this, but don't go swimming. IWP technology, don't know what that is. Easy touch controls. Okay, 10-minute charge is equal to 120-minute playback. So this has something called ASAP charge, so quick charge basically. So if you plug this in for 10 minutes, this will result for around 2 hours of playback time. Maximum retail price of this is 3,490, but you can get this for around 999 at any time. I got this for around 799 on discount from Flipkart. I'll put the link of this below. If you want to check it out, you can. And let's see, so June 2023, so just manufactured 1 month back, so it's really nice. Okay, now let's go ahead and bring this out. Okay, usual port. Okay, all right, so we'll come back to this. Let's see what else is there in the box. Okay, you all know boAt has a lot of paperwork. I really do not like this. So in our last unboxing, that was the boAt smartwatch, I said the same thing. We unboxed the boAt Lunar smartwatch. Go check that. I'll put the link of that above. And that too had a lot of paperwork. Same here, boAt Alpha FAQ card. Okay, so yeah, any issues for troubleshooting, you can do that. So this is actually useful. And thank you boAt head again, useful, could have done without this. boAt head sticker, and okay, and some other stickers. So I'm seeing that they have started including this type of speakers, some quite funky stickers. So do what floats your boat. So I'm a boAt head. Okay, very funny. I can do anything. Okay, what is this? Of the map. So I like this one, is for trekking and backpacking. And reptile. Okay, so a cute T-Rex. What is Airdopes Alpha? What does it do? Contents, blah blah blah. Okay, so I got so many paperwork. Follow me again. Waste. And what is this? This is a huge, quite thick, basically some marketing material. So again, like lots of wastage of paper. Basically these things will end up in my dustbin after I am done. This results in a lot of wastage, waste paper. Okay, and let's have a look at the charging cable. Should be USB-C. Yes, USB-C, USB type A to C, boAt branding here. And now let's come to the star of this unboxing video, wrapped in plastic. Okay, and ooh, okay, I really like this, very small, and I really like the feel of this. Feels premium. This is not exactly matte. This has a sort of rubberized finish on top of that, and this is very small, like for size comparison purposes. So this is the JBL 230NC, and this is the board, and you can see this is so small. And I would say the finishing of this is quite nice. You can see they have tried to copy the Apple AirPods, a little bit of steel ring on the charging port. Normally this charging port does not require a steel ring like this, but I like this. This looks nice. Okay, and they have a ring here, boAt branding here. And okay, they have also changed the hinge of this, so looks more like the Apple AirPods box. Okay, so okay, so ring LED, that's really nice. And these are the earbuds. Let me just take this out. So it's blinking blue and red, so that means it's in pairing mode, and looks really nice, I have to say this. And okay, let's just have a look at the magnet. very strong magnet. It won't. Okay, but it doesn't have any spring mechanism. Like in the JBL we have this spring mechanism for the spring, but this does not have a spring. As you can see, these do not have a spring, but a very strong magnet. Okay, but I really like this ring. Yeah, this is something different. I like this. And now coming to the earbuds. So okay, again very similar to Apple AirPods. We know from where the design is copied. This also has the same rubberized matte finish as we saw in the case. So this is shiny here, but this part here is rubberized, and the touch surface, I think it's somewhere here in the buds. So I will do all of these in our review video. I'll set this up and I will tell you all about this in the review video. I have heard that this has some problems with the touch control. So the touch control is really poor and this causes some discomfort in the ear. Some people are complaining that their ears hurt. So I will test all of this, and so stay tuned for the review video. If you have any questions, that will be answered in the review video itself. And anyways, if you have any other questions, put them in the comment section below and I'll answer each and every one of you. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out my latest videos. Yeah, goodbye.
Baby, read the fine print. I've got baggage and it's all Gucci. Don't get too attached to me. Everybody act like the answer. One love like in the movies.